Curado.
Really good together. Longanico.
The only store.
The only store in La Peta. Weird town.
That was a weird town.
Really beautiful, but
Just
really weird.
weird. Dead. No children or old people.
It looked like a Disneyland set or something.
Yeah.
It's really,
We never did find a house for rent. It was just fun looking for it, sort
yeah.
of.
The only good thing in this town, besides how beautiful it was your store.
It's a store. I
Really
have
good
to bring
stuff.
out the cherries just to show everybody.
Let me get the cherry.
The ones from that place were just so good. These are, I love the
These are
season.
pretty good. These are beautiful. Apricots.
That's a couple of these kumquats, whatever they're called. They have a name, paraquat.
That's like a chemical poison they used in Vietnam.
It's a name like that.
This morning we saw construction workers next door
Oh yeah.
cooking their morning breakfast over just a campfire, not a barbecue. But just,
With the bricks they use in their
yeah,
job.
bricks in their job.
4 bricks,
Just built a fire out of wood
Maria grill.
and they put a rabbit in there.
Yeah.
Cooked the rabbit for breakfast.
And another guy shows up with some sausage, butifada sausage. Then they all disappear, all quiet until some sort of a heifer comes around. When a heifer comes around, all of a sudden he's
The most work they did was put into their breakfast. And then they just disappeared.
Disappeared.
It was all quiet all
I
day.
looked out the window. They were, as soon as
Oh,
they
you
left,
wanted us to do
they're
that?
not working now.
Oh, that's what you wanted. Okay. So cook the veggie love packets first.
The meme we started in Hollywood
Yeah.
back in the 90s.
And it's all cut up vegetables, olive oil, tomatoes. So we've been here for just about a month.
We're on our 4th week.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. No, it was fun having Ricardo visit.
Yeah, Ricardo's awesome.
Italia.
Yeah.
Italia porque tiene como ese gusto por la buena vida, ¿sabes?
Sí.
Que tiene un traje, pero no me sirve cualquier traje, ¿vale? Y
Sí,
no-
lo mejor.
Sí,
que
son
existe.
como muy detallistas en esto. En cambio nosotros somos como más una mentalidad de... A ver, aquí si podemos comer bien, comemos bien. Pero si no, comemos pan tostado con ajo. Sí.
Pan con tomate.
Sí,
Está
no,
muy sencillo.
Eso del lujo, sí, pero...
Sí, no, y Italia es otra cosa.
Italia es otra cosa, sí, es.
Sí,
Sí, es verdad.
como un sentimiento más de... oh, sí.
Came out for a weekend, spent the night.
Yeah. A little enchanted forest hike that I discovered with the dog.
Great.
And bicycle and went to Peratallada, a medieval town.
Oh yeah, that was really
For the weird ice cream.
Famous.
Famous ice cream. I played it safe, but I liked the ginger lemon one. That's all.
Yeah.
We go back, look at that.
I would not order the anchovy ice cream the second time.
And I'm slowly learning how to drink wine.
That's right. This is local wine. Or rosé. Yeah, it's just really beautiful.
Very pleasant. We lived next door to some chickens.
The family garden, the chickens
And we got this place for 900 euros for the month.
for a whole month. We climbed a mountain.
Boy, we climbed a mountain. We actually kind of did a lot of the things we did on our honeymoon.
Yeah.
On our honeymoon, we climbed a volcano to record the sound.
In Stromberg. Just climbed straight up the volcano, and the volcano was exploding.
Yeah.
And I was thinking. So this time we were a bit more prepared. Montgri, I guess is the name of the mountain.
Yeah. There's a castle at the top.
Just parked at the bottom of the mountain. We just climbed straight up.
I
And
sure
this is
hate
kind of nice in the beginning, flat. There's a path.
Yeah.
Thinking, oh, I could do this.
It's like the Hollywood Hills, no biggie. We had no idea what the hike would be.
We were filming it as we went up, but then after a while the trail just got too difficult.
Yeah,
Just, she was on all fours, and my back was killing me.
Past little huts and things.
Yeah, little tombs or something.
Or crypts. Or,
Yeah.
the actual castle Castillo was never finished.
I don't understand the logic of building a huge fortress on top of a mountain to protect everything down below it, but this is some logic. And by the time they got to a certain stage, it was just a moot point. They didn't need it anymore. I guess the Barcelona guy won or something. So they just have an empty castle. It's
So
just a
they
shell.
ended up becoming part of Catalonia after all, or Barcelona.
Yeah.
That type of thing. We were able to be so indulgent with our anniversary. Go 5-star hotel.
Yeah, so we went to Mas de Torrent in the town of Torrent.
Had it almost to ourselves.
It seemed packed at first because everybody was checking out. Then everybody disappeared and it was just our hotel. And the swimming pools, 2 swimming pools, 1
Yeah, the outdoor pool
outdoor
you
pool.
loved.
Yeah.
The indoor pool I loved because I could just float in there. It was wonderful. Getting calls from Italy from a
Hey.
90-year-old aunt. What are you doing? I said, well, I'm actually right now I'm this poolside. And then my cousin says, wow, you look great. Well, it couldn't have been a better place. Athena and her temple.
Yeah, that's what. You know, put the veggie love packets on. Whoa, they're already boiling. That's a hot one. Yikes. Well, we also swam in a river after the visit to the castle. The next day we went to El
Yeah.
Ter.
That was great.
El Ter is a big, wide river. It goes right out into the ocean. It's the beach. So yeah, we found a little swimming hole there. And
Zuma, my dog, jumped in right after you. Drove
I
in.
know, she was just so amazing because I just fell in. Zuma was right at the edge of the thing, all worried about me. Jumped right in, just completely fearless. Just, wow, into the water. And then got scared and turned around and wanted to go back
Hey,
to
what
her
am I
mom.
doing?
What the hell have I done?
Hey! She's a happy one.
She is. She really likes all this nature. And it's really still fairly cold seawater and really warm river water. So swimming in it was just really
Cool.
interesting. It was fun.
I like that. I like merging waters, like Sea of Cortez and the Pacific.
Where we got married.
Yeah. So there's certain themes.
I know.
That's another theme.
The other theme is that you lose your voice when
I lose my voice.
Whenever we
lost
got
my
married,
voice.
and almost every wedding anniversary.
I just lose my voice. This time it only lasted about an hour. But
Yeah.
I also do a weird, wacky solo video, a bit sort of sexy
Water thing.
water thing.
Yeah. That's right.
Even like the night of our marriage, we got married. Where did I have that picture of my boob in the mirror and I'm always like teasing.
Yeah.
So
Well, when we got married, you teased the prisoners in the Mexican jail.
Oh, that's right. I flashed.
And it was like, we just got married. And we got a speeding ticket or some kind of
Something
traffic ticket. So, and in Mexico, you just have to go right to the courthouse. And so I'm talking to the police, like, how much is it, and whatever, and I'm trying to pay. And I look over, and Bodali's going like this to this jail full of prisoners. Just,
They were stuck in there. Poor guys.
I know, and they were all like about to riot. And,
It's like,
that was crazy. Okay, this is what I have to look forward for the rest of my life. That's okay.
got a goofball.
Got a goofball. That's right. Well, that was really beautiful out there. Was that one or
That's why I get them
in the
confused.
Campo? We filmed the RAV4 with the drone.
Me and the
And
bicycle.
that was
the first spot?
No, that was the second
Second
spot
spot.
where we were in the spice fields in the mud,
Yeah.
and the bike, and, the river to the sea.
Yeah.
That was all that one. But the other one was our first time, and we just went into somebody's farm area,
Oh yeah.
stopped at the end of the road, and then filmed the car going back and forth
Oh yeah.
in the air. And,
That was beautiful.
yeah, it was really, really good because the storm was coming in. It
Yeah.
was really dramatic.
So we're just these two crazy total artists, kind of.
Yeah. Because most people would have saw it and just, it's the end of a dirt road, let's go home. We just spent like the whole afternoon out there. Filming
It
everything.
was like you know, you're saying, this is it. I said, just do it. I'm always, just do it.
Exactly. Which is really helpful. If you have any question about your son,
Yeah.
just do it.
We're here.
Right.
What the hell? This is all going really well. I see a pretty rosy future if we keep collaborating in this said manner.
Aforementioned. Henceforth we will
Heretofore.
collaborate.